Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, heads-up display, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.